In this video, we will take a look at the dispatch area in the new AI and triage experience. When a ticket is ingested via your PSA and meets specific criteria, dispatch ensures it is routed to the right team, reducing the need for manual oversight and speeding up service delivery. Tickets are automatically assigned, prioritized, and can be moved to a board or queue based on predefined conditions. This can be classification identifiers like the ticket body or title, as well as many others. It can also adjust critical fields like ticket status and ticket assignee. Let's take a look at a couple of examples. We have created a rule for password reset tickets. This rule is based off of two conditions. As the ticket comes in, it is looking at the classification stamp based off of password resets. It is also looking at the board or queue called alerts. When those conditions are met, Pia will perform the following actions. Change the ticket status to in progress. Route to an assigned user and also set the ticket priority. So let's create a new rule. There are a couple ways to create a rule. The new dispatch rule button adds the new rule to the top of the list. The plus button adds the new dispatch rule underneath the respective rule. You can easily adjust rules by using the arrows or drag and drop feature. In this scenario, I want any new user request by a certain company to be routed to a different board. Also, I want it set to a high priority and route to their lead tech. To do this, I will create two conditions. Choose Ticket AI classification and pick the classification for new staff. To add another condition, click on the plus symbol and choose Client. Next, select the client from the drop-down menu. Now let's set a few actions. First, select Route to Board and choose which board or queue you would like it to go to. To add another action, click on the plus symbol and choose Set the Ticket Priority. From the drop-down, choose High Priority. Add another action and choose Route to Assignee. Here we will pick the tech. Click Save and you have easily created a new dispatch rule. Watch for our next series of videos related to the new AI and triage experience. We'll see you soon.